Hey guys, so about the cream that I'm using for my scarring on my jaw from my total joint replacement TMJ and discectomy with fat graft, I am now using a silicone based gel, which the surgeon said I need to start using. So previously the video when I had said I was using a vitamin E cream and bio oil, he said to stop that now and to move on to a silicone cream. So now I'm using Strataderm Scar Therapy Gel. So I'm going to start using this regularly because I want my scars to fade as much as possible. I'm happy with how they're going. They're a bit red and raised. So hopefully in the next few days I can get that down. And yeah, I hope that this helps someone else. If there's anything else you want me to answer, please let me know. And if you want me to set up a live session to answer any questions or just have someone there who understands, let me know too. All right, thanks.